Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video I'm holding a brand new device, a crypto hardware wallet by the name Stone V20. It is by SecuX Technologies. So I'm going to review this device today. I'm going to take you through the complete unboxing and the detailed setup of this device. So do watch the complete video, and if you like the device after watching the video, there is a discount coupon waiting for you at the end of the video. So do watch the complete video. And if you are new to the cryptocurrency world, there are a lot of links in the description. You can read them out and get educated about this industry. So without any further delay, let's start the video. In front of me, you can see the Stone V2 wallet by SecuX. It's the hardware wallet with a digital screen. So you can see on the back end side, there is the important features, and here you can see what it's written as. It has a large 2.8 inches color touchscreen, enhanced ruggedness, extensive crypto support, which means it is able to transfer all this coin listed here and many more. It includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and many more. So this is the outer look of the packaging. You can see it's good, it's pretty much decent, and this is how I got the box. And before going inside, before opening it up, let me show you the outer packaging, how they pack it when the box arrived. So this one, which is right here, is the outer packaging of the box. So you can see here the device will be added right here, just like this. So packaging is already very secure, so you don't have to worry about the damages because this box is rugged and solid enough. So keeping it aside, let's move on to the unboxing of this hardware wallet. So now let me open it up. It has a tapes right here which I have just removed. So I will just push it up. It is little hard to push. And here we go. Yep. So let's open the box here. Ta-da! You can see a wallet in front of me, which is something like this. Just check it out. By SecuX. It looks something like Iron Man reactor. If you like the shape of this wallet, just comment below and let me know. Do you find it equivalent to the reactor of Iron Man? Because I think it is something like the reactor of Iron Man. I am quite loving with the shape, but let's keep it aside. Let me put it here and let's see, is there anything inside it? Okay, there's one more. So you have a pouch to carry this hardware wallet. It can be kept here, and it has a cable. This is the charging cable, I guess. I think it should be USB 3.0. Let me just plug it in later and let me tell you then. 1, 2, 3, and now the main part. I think this must be the passphrase. So here are the cards, passphrase and hidden wallet. So I will take you through all these steps one by one when I set up this wallet. This is the guide, quick start guide. This is recovery sheet and recovery sheet 2. So if you are using Ledger Nano S or any other device, you must have already known what recovery sheet means and what does passphrase means. So passphrase are actually your secret code. It is kind of like password for this hardware wallet. If you remember it, you can retrieve your coins even if your device gets stolen or broken. So that's about it. So all these features are here. The devices looks good, and again I call it as Iron Man reactor. So this looks pretty stylish to me. So let me move back and set up the device. Let me turn it on and show you guys. Yep. Welcome, thanks for choosing SecuX. So it's time to set up this device. So I need to charge it up and then I will set up this device. So let's move on with the setup. So in front of me you can see the passphrase, 2 recovery sheets and one quick start guide, which is this one. So let me open it up. So inside this guide you can see all the steps required to set up the device, and it has something called as this QR code, which is right here. So this one you need to scan it and once you scan it, it will take you through a link which has all the steps written on it. So let me scan it. So this is the website with all the steps that you need to perform, and if you go to the bottom you will see the support button, and once you click it, there is a contact us option. You can press on it, and you can just contact the SecuX team in case you face any doubts or you have any query or you face any problem on the device. So that's about it. So these are the recovery sheets. So this is recovery sheet 1. As you can see, it has 24 words to be written on it. So these 24 words is actually a passphrase. So you need to put your passphrase on the recovery sheet, and this recovery sheet will act as your safeguard. So if your device gets stolen, you can always recover it using the recovery sheet. So two are given, one will act as a backup for you. So make sure to always write down your passphrase on this device. Write it with the pen and pencil and write it down. So this one next is the passphrase. On the back side of it, you can see the steps, how to set up the device, and this is the step which I am going to show you. So let me just put on the device. So on top of it, you can see a power button, and let me turn it on. So device is on. It is asking me to get started. So you can see on the bottom, this is USB 3.0. So I have confirmed it. This is USB 3.0. So I need to press on the start button. And here I need to enter the passphrase. So let me bring it closer to you guys. So it is press enter 4 to 8 digits. So I need to enter the personal PIN number. So let me enter it up, and next here comes the device name. So in this, I need to put the device name, whatever the name that you wish to enter, you can choose it right here. There's no hard and fast rule. So I will enter my name, and I will put my name in this device. So I have entered my name and press next. And now I have to click new because this is the new device that I'm going to set up. I don't have any existing wallet or SecuX wallet. So click on new. So again, this is important. Notice it will show me 24 words of recovery phrase. So I need to write it down, and similarly you guys need to write down your own SecuX secure phrase using this recovery sheet here. So you need to write it down on this recovery sheet and then save it. So I need to press here continue. So these are my recovery words. This is first 6 recovery words. Similarly, there are 24 of them. I will write them down one by one, and then I will come back. So here it is asking me to confirm my words. This is word number 1 which I need to confirm, and similarly I need to confirm all the remaining 24 words which are there on this device, on the passphrase actually. So I will click on this first, which is noise, and similarly I will confirm every other word. So now you can see it's asking me congratulations, the device is now set up successfully and it is ready to be active. So finally the device has been set up successfully. All I need to do is connect it with a computer and get going. Okay, so you need to visit this URL, which is this one here, wallet.secutech.com. Click enter. So in front of me, you can see on the screen, it is asking me to connect my SecuX wallet using these two options, which is connect via USB and connect via Bluetooth. So again, it depends upon your choice and comfort. I'm going with the USB option. So let me click on it. Here is my wallet name, select it and connect. Okay, so this is what you see inside my wallet. The firmware is actually updated to the latest version. Connection is secure and every update is showing on the dashboard. So these are the apps that I need to install to activate my wallet. So I need to just click on the app which I want. So let's say Bitcoin. So in the Bitcoin, I need to add an account. So let's say account name is Bitcoin Wallet. Click OK and it is processing. So on the device, you will see that it will reflect your Bitcoin wallet balance. Just like it's showing 0 here, it will also reflect on the device. So just like that, you can add any coin of your choice which you wish to store on this device. And remember, if you want to learn about this app, how to transfer cryptocurrencies from exchange to a hardware wallet, there is a special video created by me. You can click on the link in the description, or I will share on the cards above. You can click that video and watch how you can transfer any coin from any exchange to your hardware wallet, be it SecuX or Ledger Nano S. You can do it with ease. The example I've taken was Digibyte, so you can choose any coin of your type. So that's about this video, and in the next video I come up with a new content on cryptocurrency. Do watch the video, share on the screen, and hit like if you love the video. I see you next week. Till then, take care and go to the moon.